Welcome everyone to a brand new travel adventure. Today we are returning to Mill Creek Park for a short little hike on the East Glacier hiking trail. It's only about 0.8 miles, it's relatively short. So sit back and relax and enjoy today's hiking adventure. This spot's also pretty popular for fishing. It's nice and peaceful over here. And this trail actually leads to Lake Glacier, which is another popular spot in the park. Definitely feels like fall now. All the leaves on the ground and stuff. The weather's changing. Isn't this nice? It's still bright enough too. I think if we would have came any later, probably would have been, you know, a little bit too dark for the video. That's nice. Yeah, so this is like the beginning of Lake Glacier over here. Bless you. Looks like you could go out over here too and fish. I think we might have been on this trail before, years ago. Remember, doesn't it go by the bridge, I think? There's a little chipmunk. Oh, he just jumped right over there. Oh look, there's some person out there. I don't know if you could pick it up on the GoPro. Jesus. A lot of activity in the woods right now. Okay, looks like the trail goes this way. There's really not that many uphill sections on this trail either. What a nice day, isn't it? I thought that was someone behind us. Yeah, that's why I wore a hoodie. But it is nice that this trail goes right along the water. So yeah, I will try to film more of these hiking trails in Mill Creek. I want to try to hit them all. Yeah, exactly. Or like at the top sites in Mill Creek Park. And this is definitely one of them. There's a lot of chipmunks on this trail. What is that? Like a little, what kind of tree is that? A little Christmas tree?
Yes.
Spruce or no? Yeah, it looks like it though. It's like real soft. But these are all deciduous forest here. There's Lake Glacier over there. Oh, it looks like this tree came down. Wow. Is that lightning? Jeez. It's a nice view there. Little bird. What's the name of this bridge?
Yeah, we can't pick the trail.
Alright, here's the famous bridge. I forget the name of the bridge. I'll look it up and put it right here in the video. But it's a nice, beautifully constructed, looks like stone bridge. Has little turrets there. Kind of looks like a medieval fort. It's pretty cool though. Oh, look. You get through here? Oh, look at this. Of course, you got some graffiti there. But still, this is nice. Okay, I made it to the top. Look at this vantage point. Alright, so we decided to go off the beaten path a little bit here, off of the East Glacier Trail, and we discovered this really nice gorge. Look at this. Pretty nice. Okay, time to get back on the trail. That breeze definitely feels good, doesn't it? Coming through this tunnel, or this arch in the bridge. Jeez, that was tricky. Okay, so now that we finished our little detour, let's continue on the trail. Really don't have that much longer on this trail. It just kind of wraps around Lake Glacier a little bit. Super quiet over here, isn't it? I love this. I wonder if this leads you all the way to the spillway area. Pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, that's where we used to go fishing around here. Also, a little fun fact here at Lake Glacier is every beginning of the fishing season, I believe in April, they stock the fish into the lake. I think thousands of them, over 2,000 of them. Yeah, the rainbow trouts, and it's really good. So if you're a fan of fishing, definitely check out Mill Creek Park and Lake Glacier. Wonder if this is the end. It's a nice little short hike. Yeah, I think this is it. All right. Get a video here. Okay, we're gonna just hike along the road here just a little bit further for one final view of the park. Alright, this is El Karloff signing off from Mill Creek Park at the East Glacier Hiking Trail. I hope you all enjoyed today's hiking adventure and stay tuned for more adventures coming soon.